What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Marvin the Martian. Now we're going to begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a curve for the bottom edge of the helmet. So we're going to start over on the left side. Just going to bend this up in the middle and then bring that back down towards the right. Let's flatten off the ends with a short line going out towards the side. And I just want to trace this curve starting from the outside, going all the way across towards the right. Now you go straight up along the side of the helmet. And then we'll add another curve going a little bit higher in the middle. So we'll just bend this up, round up the top, and then bring that back down. Now I'm going to layer the top of the helmet in behind. So from the ends, we're going to step in, curve this up almost like a half circle, round up the head, and then bring that back down. Let's add that brush along the top of the head. You can gap in the center, start with two lines coming down, close off the top with a curve. Let's draw an oval in behind the top. So we're going to step down on the left side, go all the way around, and then back in on the right. Let's go out to the side, draw two angled lines going up and out. Go up the sides with a short line. And we'll close off the top with a slight curve going up and down. Now just up above that oval, we're going to add a seam going up and then down to the edge of the brush. On the top corners, we're going to step in, curve the bristles, going up and out. And we'll close off the top with another curve. Now I'm going to separate some of the bristles along the top with these vertical lines. Now we're going to move down and tuck the head in underneath the helmet. From the inside corner, we're going to step in and draw a half circle. Come down towards the bottom of the head, round this out, and then pull that up. Let's draw the top bevel of the front flaps. We're going to start over on the left side from this point. Follow the curve of the head coming down and in to right about there. And then from here, draw a straight line coming in towards the side of the head. Let's draw the front edge of those flaps. Starting from the inside, draw a straight line coming down. Draw a line going out towards the side. And we'll pull that straight up. Now I'm going to draw the same length line along the top left, coming down to right about there. Draw that same thing on the right. Now it's going to close off the bottom with a curve, coming down and then in towards the outside corner. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw in the eyes, starting with the brow. Starting on the left side of the helmet, bend this in and then down, and we'll bend that in. Let's leave a gap in the center and do the same thing on the right. Going out and up, and then back out. Let's draw the bottom of the eye, starting back on the outside, come down towards the bottom, and just pull that up on the inside. Now along the inside, we draw a small circle for the pupils, and then we'll fill them in black. Now I'm going to go back with a wide black marker and fill the inside of the head going around the eyes. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to step in, curve the body coming in, and then down towards the hip. Go to the right side and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Just close off the bottom with a curve. Now I'm going to bring the arms coming down the side. From the top of the body, let's step down, draw a straight angle line coming down and out towards the wrist. Let's round out the wrist. And we'll pull that back up and in underneath the helmet. Let's add a small oval around the wrist for the cuff. And then on the inside of the cuff, we'll draw a small half circle coming in and out for the thumb, and we'll close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. We start from the bottom of the thumb, come down and then up around that bracket. Let's layer in the second finger. We're going to step down, go out, and then up. Now along the side, let's draw the third finger going all the way around and then in towards the outside of the cuff. Let's add some wrinkles underneath the cuff. Start with one angled line coming down and out. Add 2 shorter lines along the outside. And now we're going to wrap that disc around the body. From the hips, let's step up, curve this out, and then down in behind the arms. Let's move in between the hands, draw a curve, coming down and then back up. And then on the ends, angle this up and in towards the body. And just taper this back down and out. Now you want to draw the front edge. From these 2 points, draw 2 short lines coming down, round out the bottom. Let's draw the inside edge of this gap. From the finger, angle this up and in. Now we're going to draw the legs in underneath that disc. Leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out, and then down towards the heel. Do the same thing on the right. Now you want to round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the heel, bend the foot, going down, and then up. And then we'll round out the foot, going up towards the top. Let's bend that down towards the ankle. Now from the ankle, we're going to bend the leg coming in and then up underneath that disc. Let's go back and add some detail to the feet and the legs. We start from the ankle. Just going to separate this with a curve. And we'll add thick sole along the bottom of the foot. So we'll take this curve, step up from the toe, and just trace that across towards the heel. From the outside of the ankle, add a curve, going out and then back down towards the sole. Along the outside area, let's add 3 curves, starting along the bottom, move up, draw the second curve, and then 1 more along the top. And now we're going to draw 2 ovals along the ankles and fill those in black. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Marvin the Martian. If you enjoyed, then please give this video a like and share it with all your friends. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.